Just heard a woodpecker. Did you hear it? That's always nice. That's always nice. Oh, it must be close. I'll see if I can spot it. It's got to be around here somewhere. I followed the sound. The trouble is the sun's in my eyes a little bit. I'm so close to it. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I just walked into some hollow. Where are you? I see it. I see it. Oh, where's it gone now? Look. He's up there somewhere. I've lost him again. He keeps hopping around. Right. He's up there. I don't know if you can see him. He's flying the way all the way into that tree over there now. That one there. Right. That's your lot.